Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to understand the Rolls-Royce logo. We'll delve into the iconic elements that define this luxury brand's emblem. You'll learn about the Spirit of Ecstasy mascot and the distinctive double R monogram. This guide will help you appreciate the precision and history behind one of the world's most recognizable automotive symbols, ensuring you grasp its unique design principles. The Spirit of Ecstasy is more than just an ornament. It's a symbol of elegance and aspiration. This iconic mascot, typically standing 3.5 inches tall, gracefully adorns the bonnet of every Rolls-Royce. Designed by Charles Sykes, it embodies the spirit of flight and forward motion, representing the brand's commitment to unparalleled luxury and performance. Its flowing form is instantly recognizable worldwide. Beyond the mascot, the double R monogram is equally significant. This emblem, representing founders Charles Rolls and Henry Royce, features two interlocking R's. The design often uses a silver or black finish against a contrasting background, emphasizing its premium feel. The custom serif typeface chosen for the letters conveys a sense of heritage and timeless sophistication, making it a powerful visual identifier for the brand. The only way to truly appreciate the Rolls-Royce logo is to understand its meticulous construction and the story behind each element. From the graceful Spirit of Ecstasy to the distinguished double R monogram, every detail is carefully considered. These components work in harmony to project an image of unparalleled luxury, precision, and heritage. It's a masterclass in brand identity, reflecting decades of automotive excellence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.